morning and welcome to today's video market update for August 6, 2010. Today's hottest listing is in Earls Court. Since the 1960s, the Earls Court neighborhood has been recognized as the business and cultural center of Toronto's Italian community. However, in recent years, the ethnic mix in this neighborhood has begun to change as Canadians of West Indian, Portuguese, Greek, Latin American, and East Indian descent have begun moving into the area. Earls Court is also being rediscovered by Anglo-Canadians in other parts of Toronto. Located just around the corner from Dufferin and St. Clair, 1767 Dufferin Street. This large 3-unit semi-detached 2-story home has 5 plus 2 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, an excellent investment opportunity, just $335,900. Unbelievable value. That's what we're looking for you every single day. For us coffee lovers, this house is a 2-minute walk from the nearest Tim Hortons, 9-minute walk from the local Starbucks. Thanks for joining us, and remember, we're connected to all of the hottest listings in the GTA every single day. Be sure to visit us again tomorrow to see tomorrow's hottest listings. We're moving to the East End tomorrow.